It is a
Barbecue. Are you grilling some chicken?
Yep.
Yeah. Chicken, corn, and hot dog. I'm so hungry, Zach. Give me some chicken. Yummy, yummy chicken. Thank you, Zach. Thank you. Nom, 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 nom. So yummy. Make me more.
Can I have any coins?
Yes, please. What is this?
Coin.
Corn. Yummy, yummy. Nom, nom, nom. Corn. Zach, what color is this corn?
Purple.
Is this purple? No. This is?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Yellow. Nom, 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 nom. Who is this? Uh-oh.
Ah!
Who is this guy?
Mushroom.
Is this Paw Patrol? What's his name? Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
His name is Marshall? Yeah. Show me Marshall. Wow, Marshall. I'm hungry. Give me some food, Zach. Chef Zach. Can I have some hot dogs? This is chicken. I want some hot dogs.
No.
You want? Okay, okay. I want chicken. That's fine. Maybe the hot dogs is not ready yet, right? Are you making hot dogs? Yeah?
Yeah.
Hot dogs. Nice.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
What color is this hot dog, Zach?
Purple.
This is not purple. Silly Zach. This is
Red.
red. Good job. Red.
What color is this?
This color is brown.
No, brown. Pink.
Brown. Brown.
Bye, holiday.
Is it still cooking?
This is back.
Yeah. Is it still cooking?
Ah,
What color is this, Zach?
brown.
This color. Black.
Brown.
Black. Black. Good job.
Let me.
Is the hot dogs ready, Zach? Okay. Almost there. Oopsie.
Spider.
Corn. Yummy, yummy. Nom, 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 nom. Can I have some mustard on my hot dogs?
No.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Chef Zach.
Give me one.
Here's your corn. Is it still cooking?
Dog.
Yeah.
Dog ready.
Hot dogs ready. Yay! The hot dogs is ready.
Hello, hot dog.
Can I have some mustard? What color is this bottle, Zach? What color? What color?
Yellow.
Good job. Yellow. Just like the corn. The corn and the mustard are yellow color. Okay, Zach. It's time to say
Bye, guys.
Thank you. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.